In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shapes to your Miro board. First, go to Miro, open your web browser, and head to the Miro website. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log into your workspace. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard with recent boards and any shared projects. If you already know which board you want to use, great, open it. If you're starting fresh, you can create a new board from the dashboard, but for now, just make sure you're inside the board where you plan to work. Give the board a moment to load so the toolbar and canvas are fully ready. Next, go to your Miro board and locate the left toolbar. Find the option labeled Shapes and Lines. Click that to open the basic shape library. You'll see common options like rectangles, circles, triangles, and more. To explore additional options, click More Shapes. This expands your selection so you have access to a wider variety of shapes. From here, choose the shape you want and simply drag it onto the canvas. Drop it where you want it to appear. Once the shape is on your board, you can resize it by dragging the corners and rotate it using the rotation handle just outside the shape. To keep proportions consistent while resizing, drag from a corner. If precision matters, use zoom controls to get a closer view. You can also click once and start typing to add text inside the shape, which is great for labeling. Look for the formatting toolbar at the top to adjust fill color, border color, line thickness, and font styling. If you want duplicates, select the shape and copy and paste, or hold the modifier key while dragging to create a quick copy. Use the alignment guides that appear to keep things tidy and evenly spaced. If you ever lose sight of your shape on a large board, use the zoom out function or the mini-map to reorient yourself. When browsing more shapes, take a moment to explore categories. This can save time, especially if you use consistent visual language across boards. And remember, you can always reposition shapes later, so don't worry about placing them perfectly on the first try. And that's it. You went to Miro, opened your board, clicked Shapes and Lines, expanded with More Shapes, and dragged the exact shape you needed onto the canvas. With a few quick adjustments and formatting tweaks, your shapes are ready to support your ideas.